Greetings and happy holidays, cosmic riders. Madam MistelTarot, emerging from the velvet void to divine what fortune's Festivus has in store for each charming zodiac sign. In other words, Madam MistelTarot is slaying in from the North Pole with some fly astrological pressies. Would you be naughty or nice? Let's conduct the cards, reading to peer into your planetary presence. Peep with cosmic gifts Santa wanna leave for each zodiac sign this chill December 24th. Ho ho ho! For my Capricorn elves, the Emperor foretells leadership looks, promotion, awards, respect. But beware, overworking, dear goat. Love life blooms by showing your inner warmth more. Partners treasure your strength, but need nurturing too, and channel ambition into healthy hobbies that rejuvenate. Cultivate passion aside from career to round out joy. My quirky Aquarius oddballs, the Ace of Wands predicts creativity, combusting. Time to share those artful projects. Dive fully into self-expression without overthinking. In relationships, polarize less to draw kindred spirits near. And finally, collaborate. Brainstorm fresh side hustles. Perhaps teaming up with a dream partner. Two minds will magnify innovation. Sweet lovely Pisces, the abundant Queen of Wands says Lady Luck moves in. Manifested dreams coming true across the boards. In love, openly communicate needs and feel fulfilled. Financially, wise investments reap rewards if you trust intuition. And creatively, musical or poetic gifts arise if you just allow them to flow freely from the heart, dearest. Abundance blooms by simply being your true glittering self. For my fiery Aries rams, the caring Queen of Cups heralds healing grace notes. Nurture inner wells and bonds through radical self-care. Softness replenishes. Financially, mindful curate quality over quantity. Tenderly cull what sparks joy. And creatively reconnect with childhood amusement. What does that mean? Scribble, dance and play imaginatively. Joy will reignite passion's flames. Whatever. Dear grounded bulls, your brilliant sun predicts revitalizing metamorphoses. Metamorphoses? Shake up routines and relationships that stagnate. Seek out friends and lovers who make you shimmer. Adventure will spark fresh zest and coin. Turn hobbies into profits by trusting creative niche sparks. Simple pleasures will transform 2024. To my curious Gemini darlings, the opulent Empress decrees abundance, bliss blooming in matters of the heart, wallet and creative sparks. Say yes to boldly honoring desires. Request that dream role. Fund that passion project. Love lavishly without apology. You are worth it. Life wishes to shower you if you are open to receiving. To shower you? My darling Cancers should rejoice. Wishes manifest with the lucky 9 of Cups. Emotionally, freely extend nurturing care to beloveds and self. Fulfillment abounds. Financially, invest in home and security pursuits. And creatively, establish inspiring spaces that replenish imaginations and release creative blessings effortlessly. Joy multiplies through mindfulness and comfort. My bold Leos are set for victorious adventures with the valorous Knight of Wands in 2024's cards. Heart sparks leap into action pursuing sports or travel passions. Say yes, despite fears. Creatively turn grand ideas into profitable ventures with confident grit. And in relationships, share dreams to draw kindred partners. Fortune favors the courageous. Sweet Virgos, complex decisions weigh with two swords. Avoid overanalyzing emotions or income moves excessively. The head versus heart struggle is real, but inner wisdom always unveils solutions in due time to fret not. Creatively, adapt avocations into therapeutic outlets. Write, craft, bake out stress for clarity. And loved ones, supports arrives. Charming Libras are blessed by childlike inspiration with the Page of Wands. Approach money ventures and romance openly. Lean into artsy endeavors fully. Success streams from having fun, and emotionally embrace your inner youth's boundless creativity once more. The world wishes to play. Lastly, Scorpios surge ahead through dedication and mastery of craft. The Eight of Pentacles says skills reap rewards with patrons and love interests. Staying committed to career ambitions keeps attracting bounty. Share knowledge to magnify blessings. Financially and creatively collaborate with invested teams. Mutually supportive bonds feed abundance all around. Ooh, I almost forgot. My adventurous Sagittarius darlings, brace yourself for a regal touch in 2024 with the steadfast King of Pentacles. The cosmos bestows upon you the gift of earthly wisdom and financial mastery. Embrace the pragmatic path, dear archers, as stability and long-term gains take center stage. In matters of the heart, seek a partner whose loyalty matches your fare for exploration. Together, build a kingdom of love rooted in trust and practical affection. Financially, channel your boundless enthusiasm into ventures with solid foundations. The King of Pentacles guides you to turn your bold ideas into prosperous realities. Creatively, the King inspires you to manifest your imaginative visions with a touch of practicality. Blend your adventurous spirit with a grounded approach and watch as your creative pursuit flourish into tangible success. Your arrow of inspiration, guided by the King's wisdom, will hit the bullseye of prosperity. Have I slain enough holiday wordsmith realness? Alright, stay tuned, cats and kittens. Plenty more starry nights ahead once Madame MistelTarot recharges her snow globe. In other words, wishing every sign wondrous holidays, my dears. Madame MistelTarot is busier than her elves during gift wrapping season. So until our next staring snow globe gaze into 2024, try a gingerbread chai. Ta-ta! Loves.